Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Lego Minecraft swords. So what you want to do is you're going to start with a 2x2 brick, then you're going to get a 2x4 brick, add on to that, and then you're going to add another 2x4 brick, layer of bricks, and then you're just going to put that down like that. And then you're going to do another one, so just going on down like that, and you're going to carry on doing a few layers. So if I just add a few extras here, so you're going to go to the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. You're on to the sixth one, and this time you're going to make a 2x3 one that stops like that, so it makes a flat, smooth stop there. And this time you're going to put a 1x2 brick like that, so it carries on almost like that. Now what you're going to do, you're going to put this one down here to another 2x2 one, and you're going to use these 1x1 bricks that has a hole on its side. And then you're just going to put that down this, so you can have it like that, and then you put that down here, so you got this like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get a 2x6 brick and keep it there for now. And what you're going to do is you're going to make a flat layer of 7x2 flat, and then you're going to put a smooth tile here, and then you're going to put a 2x6 brick there. So basically, in theory, you have 7x2 yellow layer. You're going to have a 2x6 yellow brick there, and then you're just going to add a nice smooth piece there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add this up here. You're going to put this over here, so then it all connects like that. And then because you need to make it smooth, you're just going to put that there so it all fits in like that. And finally, you're going to get a 4x4 flat layer, and if you want to cover that, you can just add this piece here. That's not going to affect it in any bad way. And you're going to you get another one of those 1x1 bricks, put it on here. Make sure that the piece, if you have this piece from behind, it's covering it vertically, so you have it like that. And then you're just going to add it vertically like this, so it has a nice strong fit. And there, that's your Lego Minecraft sword. And obviously there are many other ways you can do this, like you can change the colors a bit. So that's a Lego gold sword. You can make a Lego enchanted diamond sword from Minecraft. You can add some glowy pieces, add some purple and pink and light blue, and then yeah, you can make lots of types of colors. Obviously there's no way of stopping your creativity. Anyway, well, that sums it all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.